Large capacity caddy holds everything you need for a diaper change. Wipes compartment accommodates a wide variety of wipes dispensers. 20 in x 16.5 in changing mat is soft and comfortable for baby. Folding mat stores neatly in the caddy. Locking handle makes caddy easy to transport from room to room. Convenient drawer provides extra storage for more of baby's accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect diaper bucket. Get the matching wipes holder. The back section has 2 compartments. One holds enough diapers to get through a day no problem, about a dozen, number 3 size. In the other half I keep creams and a hand sanitizer pump. The front houses the matching OXO wipes container which you have to buy separately. I bought one for a friend's baby shower too.